Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Brown from the Attleboro Public Library. Today I'm going to show you another 15-minute family STEAM activity. We are going to make a chemistry rocket. If you would like to reserve a free kit of materials, then you can contact me at attleborokids@salesinc.org, or you can call me at 508-222-7820 and I will gladly put a kit of materials aside for you. You may already have these things at home, and if that's the case, then you can watch this video tutorial on the Attleboro Library YouTube page, and you can get a copy of the written instructions on our website. If you do decide to reserve a free kit of materials, then inside the kit, you'll find the instruction sheet, and it is 2 pages long. You'll find an empty water bottle. You'll find 3 unsharpened pencils. You'll find a container with baking soda, a cork, and you'll find a bottle of vinegar. From home, you're going to need some Scotch tape. You're going to need some strong tape. I'm going to use duct tape here. And you're going to need a piece of toilet paper. The first thing I want to remind you is to protect the surface that you're working on, protect your clothes, and later on we're going to need to protect our eyes when we do the experiment. The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to create the rocket from the water bottle and the unsharpened pencils. What you want to do is tape the unsharpened pencils onto your water bottle. Make sure that when you're taping them, they are even, because you're going to want to your rocket to stand up. So use your strong tape and make sure that when you tape them, they stand evenly, and so the top of your bottle isn't too close to the ground, because we're going to be putting the cork in the bottle. Okay, so that's what the first step is. Okay, so you can see that I have taped my 3 unsharpened pencils to my water bottle. I have made sure that there are a couple of inches in between the lip of my water bottle and the bottom of the pencils. I've evenly spaced my pencils out around the water bottle so that when I stand it up, it's steady. It's making a tripod out of the unsharpened pencils and attaching it to the water bottle. Our next step is going to be taking the toilet paper square, and we're going to take our baking soda. We're going to roll the baking soda into the toilet paper square, sort of in the shape of a hot dog. Okay, so you want to take your baking soda, lay it down the middle of your toilet paper, and then roll it up so it makes a tube. I find that as I roll it, I can then put a tiny piece of Scotch tape on one of the ends to fold it over and tape it down. Okay, so you can see I've rolled my toilet paper into a tube and I've taped the very bottom. This part is still open. Our next step is going to be to take our vinegar and pour it into our water bottle. We want the vinegar to come about halfway up of the water bottle. You might not need all of it, but about halfway up. Then take everything outside. Do not do this next step inside. Take your water bottle with the vinegar, take your baking soda, and take your cork and go outside. Let's head outside and finish our experiment. I have moved outside now. I have my rocket half filled with vinegar, I have my packet of baking soda, and I have my cork. The next step I'm going to do is to protect my eyes with my safety glasses. You want to make sure you protect your eyes whenever we're doing a science experiment. I'm going to take my baking soda packet and put it in my bottle, and I'm going to have a little piece of toilet paper that will hang over the lip. I will then put my cork inside the mouth of the bottle and put it in firmly enough that it won't fall out when I tip my rocket over, but not so firmly that it will never come out again. Remember, these are the feet of your rocket, so when you tip your bottle over, you need to balance it on these 3 feet. Okay? So, we're going to put this in. I have my lip of toilet paper here. and I have my cork. I'm going to push it in, and once I have it in there firmly and snugly, I'm going to make sure that I take a few steps back. Okay? And I tip this over, and now I'm going to take a few steps back. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the reaction and the pressure to build up, but once it does, you will be able to have a chemistry rocket that can fly into the sky. I hope you all enjoy doing this project. I would love to see videos of how your reaction comes out, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.